So YouTube, yeah, I didn't plan on that happening. Ah, there we go. Okay, so I've made a good bit of progress on my robot. Thinking about maybe calling it the Chariot, or Chariot, or something, maybe something along those lines, or maybe find some Latin word for Chariot in Autobot or something. I don't know. But you can see the arms on there. Made some progress on that. Using the wireless controller here. D-pad for direction. We'll do a little bit of point of view here. So, press the select to enable analog control of the arm. Whoa. Guess I should pay attention to what I'm doing there. There we go. Now you should be able to see both. And as smooth as that action is, let's see. That's actually using a 10 millisecond delay in between feedbacks of this. And it's still able to multiplex the moves. Look at that, that's kind of cool, ain't it? That sound doesn't sound very good, but whatever. I think the Roomba is a little off balance. Watch this. Why don't I use the robot arm to pick it up and do something? It's a good question. Got it backwards here. This robot arm can only lift about 3 ounces worth of stuff. And that turns out to not be so much. And there goes the dog. So the motor controller I'm using, the counterfeit Adafruit controller, can only control 4 motors. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the gripper, and I don't know if you can see it here, but there's a light in the gripper. So that can be turned on too. I suppose that'll probably be the easiest of everything to turn on. Someone online mentioned using a relay to control the gripper and maybe some pressure activated switches or something. That might work. I'm not sure. I'll probably experiment with another motor controller to get the idea of how that works, or maybe even try my hand with a transistor. But But I'm excited. And I'm hungry.